Brace yourselves, everyone. AI Studio can now produce videos. Let's check it out. This is absolutely stunning. This is VEO2, one of the best in the world to create videos. Let's check it out. Click on your AI app. On your left, if you're in the computer, on your left menu, you'll see Video Chan. Oh my God, let's just describe it. We already have examples. Generate videos with VEO. I'm not lying. I'm joking, of course I wouldn't. So let's check out some of the proposals they have. Smiling. It took seconds to generate. Let's see. Exactly what I asked. How brilliant is this? You could really start a story like this. I'm so excited. This is wonderful. Let's do another one. Oh, as you can see, you can download it. See? It just literally took This literally took seconds. Wow. If you liked the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye bye for now.